Before we dive in, all the content in this video is for educational purposes and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your due diligence before making any financial decisions. Now, with all of that being said, let's get this crypto.
Unique verses for unique markets. Ride the resistance, rinse and repeat targets. Nibble on the dip cause I'm bearish. Keep the honey, I've been got the men who keep bearish. Mama bear mode, bear market tag team. Papa bear money out and trap stash in. Honeycomb baguettes, every market can't reek. Millions I invest while the moon boys sleep. Howling at the bare moon.
So, even if we are experiencing a bank run, which we already witnessed in the previous 2 hours, it's not an issue. We have enough tokens to give to the clients for withdrawals. Okay.
Seems to me somebody's trying to bury you in here. No shit, Sherlock.
Hey, it's your main man and only bear, Bear Moon. We just witnessed one of the biggest heists in crypto history. As you can see, according to CoinMarketCap, Bybit is one of the top 3 exchanges. They lost a record $1.4 billion from a hack by the Lazarus group, alleged to be run by the government of North Korea. Will Bybit experience a bank run similar to the Simpsons episode?
What do you mean the bank is out of money? Insolvent? You only have enough cash for the next 3 customers!
I think one question is how many users are affected. I mean, to be honest, right now, everyone is affected, right? I think, some of our retail.
Today, Junior?
As you can see, the Bybit team is nervous and unable to communicate coherently. Let's go ahead and put this into perspective. To go through a quick list from the smallest to the biggest thefts of all time, we have Wormhole at $308 million in 2022, followed by Mongox at $470 million in 2014. Then we have the FTX debacle at $482 million in 2022. Next up is Coincheck at $532 million in 2018. Then we have Ronin Network at $540 million in 2022, followed by Binance Smart Chain Token Hub at $569 million in 2022. Then our second worst with Poly Network at $611 million in 2022. And Bybit taking the cake at $1.4 billion of this year.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
You're damn right, something ain't right. Why is this concerning? If this doesn't paint a picture in your head, let me go ahead and put it to you this way. This $1.4 billion heist, the Lazarus group, has more Ethereum than the Ethereum Foundation and the Ethereum founder himself, Vitalik. Will the Lazarus group take the heroic approach and burn $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum, force Bybit to take more loans to cover the loss, or will they try ways to off-ramp the assets despite top on-chain analysts keeping tabs on them? And is Ethereum in massive big trouble? Well, let's look into the charts and get this honey. Looking at the 1-week time frame, as you can see, Ethereum has been using this macro uptrend as support. Our first touch being June of 2022, followed by November of 2022, then October of 2023, then September of 2024, and our last one recently, this February of this year, with a massive wick that was formed with a lot of buy pressure coming in, as you can see. Though we breached the uptrend support with a wick, we still had a body candle close above it, so far confirming that this was a fake out to shake out the Moon Boys. This is really great to see and so far no call for concern. It would be a different scenario if we have a body candle close below that macro uptrend support, which is not the case at the moment. Zooming in closer on the same time frame, you can see that Ethereum is still range bound between $4,000 and $2,150. We've been in this range for almost a year. Let's go ahead and pull up the stochastic RSI. Analyzing the indicator, we can see we are almost at 0. What we want to see here unfold is a pivot to the upside, by having the blue line over the orange line and remaining above the 20 level. This will give us confirmation that an upswing is inbound. Focusing back on the price, if we go ahead and measure the distance between the peak and the low, we are still on track to having our first target being over $7,000. Switching over to the total 2, on the 1 month time frame, this chart includes the total market cap of crypto except Bitcoin. As you can see here, we hit our peak on November 2021, but so far we have not been able to make a recent body candle close above that level. We're already 1,188 days in without making a new all-time high. However, based on the chart, we seem to be forming support at $1.22 trillion on market cap. If we can close at or above this level by the end of this month, this would be considered bullish market structure. This means there are enough bulls to defend this level and for us to make an attempt again to revisit all-time high and get what all the moon boys have hyped up for and what they've been waiting for, altcoin season. Overall, we are in good standing, and based on the macros, we are continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. So make sure you're not being shaken out before the breakout. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like, and always make sure to stay on your toes, stay vigilant, stay bold. This is your main man and only bear, Bear Moon. Thanks for watching.
Unique verses for unique markets. Ride the resistance, rinse and repeat targets. Nibble on the dip cause I'm bearish. Seek the honey, I've been got the mental keep bearish. Mama bear mode, bear market tag team. Papa bear money out and trap stash in. Honeycomb baguettes, every market can't reek. Millions I invest while the moon boys sleep. Howling at the bear moon, my trade just made you. Honey still coming through and through. And through all of you can fade, bear moon, or you can be made. Either way I'm still eating. All your moon boys, you get wrecked. Said it's a bear moon, and I'm the bearish bear of bears. Said it's a bear moon, and I'm the bearish bear of bears. Said it's a bear moon, bearish bear moon. Don't you wish that you could ride the bear moon? Rug another lunar cause you thought it was a bare moon. It ain't a straight moon unless I'm saying so. Moon, my trade just made you. Honey still coming true and through. All of you can fade or you can be made. It's a bare moon. Either way I'm still eating. All your moon boys, you get wrecked.